Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage, and today I'm going to show you a video walk around on a lovely Skoda Octavia 1.5 SE technology that we've just had come into stock. Now this one is finished in race blue metallic and has only covered 45,000 miles, so let's take a little walk around and show you how great this car's condition is. Now the first thing you notice is when you go inside, you've got these lovely silver and black cloth interior seats, plenty of shape in these seats, and one thing that's rather nice is that both front seats offer height adjustment as well as lumbar adjustment as well, so on a long journey plenty of adjustment to keep your back in check. They also have a passenger airbag deactivation key switch, which is on the end of the dashboard there. Plenty of room in these, so being a 5-door estate, you've got lots and lots of scope. So the two front seats are not as far back as they can go, but you've still got plenty of space. Big centre armrest, which also gives you access into the tailgate area. Nice 5-spoke alloy wheels with parking sensors front and in the back, and then being an estate car, its trump card is a cavernous boot with a push button tonneau cover, which then gives you access to a 60/40 split seat. Very small lip on the boot there as well, and a couple of little pull down hooks each side for shopping bags and things you don't want to rattle around. But one of the biggest boots in its class, this, it really is cavernous. You also benefit from having rear air conditioning outlets and a pair of USB-Cs, so if you need to charge devices on the go then you can. And this is quite a neat little drinks holder which just folds forward and can be clipped up out of the way. So you have ISOFIX fixments in the back as well, so that's great. And then quite a neat little feature, wonder what this was at first, but it's actually a brolly. So it does start to rain. That one can just sit back in there in the armrest. Back to normal things. Electric windows and electric wing mirrors. I say full height adjustment on both of the front seats with lumbar. The electronic handbrake, which is great with the hill assistant. A 6-speed manual gearbox, and this lovely big clear navigation system, which incorporates a visual display for the parking sensors, as well as your satellite navigation, Bluetooth hands-free, digital radio, as well as the ability to run Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Now this car also has the digital dashboard, so you can change many views in behind the steering wheel depending on what your preference is. Now this car would leave us with a fresh MOT, it would be fully serviced and 12 months warranty. So if you're looking for a very well looked after big estate car, then bear it in mind. Thanks for watching. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.